Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a website AI. First, let's understand the fundamental steps involved in integrating artificial intelligence into your web presence. We'll cover how AI can significantly improve user engagement and streamline operations. You'll discover the essential tools and platforms that make AI development accessible for your website, transforming it into a smart, responsive, and highly efficient digital experience. Get ready to elevate your web design. Now, let's dive into the essential AI components that can power your website. Think about incorporating intelligent chatbots to provide instant, 24/7 customer support, handling common queries efficiently. Machine learning algorithms can personalize content, offering tailored recommendations to each visitor, significantly boosting engagement. Furthermore, natural language processing can refine your site's search functions, making information retrieval intuitive and precise for every user. When it comes to integrating AI, you have several powerful tools and platforms at your disposal. Cloud-based services like Google Cloud AI or Amazon Web Services AI offer robust pre-built models and APIs, simplifying complex tasks. For more customized solutions, open-source libraries such as TensorFlow or PyTorch provide immense flexibility. Alternatively, many modern website builders now include integrated AI features, making it easier than ever to add smart functionalities without extensive coding knowledge. To ensure your AI-powered website thrives, always prioritize user data privacy and ethical AI practices. Regularly monitor and fine-tune your AI models to maintain optimal performance and accuracy, ensuring a seamless user experience. The field of artificial intelligence is constantly evolving, so staying informed about new technologies and industry standards is crucial. Embrace continuous learning to keep your website at the forefront of innovation, delivering exceptional value to your audience.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.